Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change username on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the three lines where you can click on. Here we have the home, issues, pull requests, and those sort of things. And in the top right corner, when you click on your profile icon, is your stat status, your profile, your repositories, etc., etc. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change username on GitHub. So changing your GitHub username is a straightforward process. First of all, log into your GitHub account as I told you in the start of the video and go to your profile page. Click on your profile picture and go to your profile page here. Then click on your profile photo in the upper right corner as I already told you and click on the account. Then when you click on your profile or on the account, however you want to call it, of course, in the change username section, click change username, of course. So go and click, you can click and edit profile, and there you can go and change your name as you can see. So my mistake, so here you can go and put your new name. Now that is basically that guys, so that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.